Hi everyone, welcome to Loops and Hooks. This is Roshna Deepak. Hope you guys are fine. Today I'm going to show you the very easiest and simple stitch in crochet, that is single crochet. So let's start making single crochets. Before that, we have to put some foundation chain stitches. Hope you guys know what is foundation chains and how to make it. If you don't know, please check my chain stitches video. I mentioned a link in the description box. Please check it. After you're forming some foundation chains, we'll start making single crochets. Actually, a single crochet is one of the most important stitches you need to know. A majority of crochet patterns and projects incorporate single crochet stitches. And once you have learned the single crochet stitch, there are infinite possible ways to use it. You can work it in rows, in rounds or spirals, as edging in different parts of the stitch for different effects, and combined with other stitches in countless variations. Okay, here I finished putting chains, so let's move on to single crochet. Skip your very first chain and insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Then yarn over and pull out the hook and yarn. Now you got two loops and you have to make that into one loop, so that yarn over again and pull it through the two loops. Now we got one loop, that means we just made a single crochet. We'll make another one, so insert the hook into the very next chain and yarn over and pull out the hook and yarn. Okay, now we got two loops, yarn over again and pull it through the two loops. This is our second single crochet. We'll continue doing the same steps. Insert the hook into the very next chain and yarn over, then pull out the hook and yarn. You got two loops, yarn over again and pull it through the two loops. Okay, this is our third single crochet. So actually a loop is the starting point of your next stitch, not only in single crochet but in all the crochet pattern or stitches. If you are working your crochet in rows, the first row can be a challenge, especially for beginners. Many beginning crocheters have difficulty holding the work at the beginning. There is not much there to hold on to. After the first few rows are complete, you will find it easier to hold the work. After working enough rows to master the single crochet stitch, you will have a much easier time working those tricky first rows in future projects. So we'll continue making single crochet. Insert the hook into the very next chain. Okay, and take yarn and pull out the hook and yarn. You got two loops. You have to make it one, so that yarn over again and pull it through the two loops. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll continue. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull out the hook and yarn. yarn over again and pull it through the 2 loops. Okay, we'll continue the same steps. Remember one thing, you don't need to skip any chains except at the very beginning of the foundation chain stitches to make the first single crochet of the project. Once you complete the first row, you should put 2 chains, then you have to turn your work before you continue the single stitch pattern in the next row or the second row. So let's finish the first row. So here I just finished the first row. You can see this is how we make single crochet. You all should definitely try this. We can make so many things with single crochet stitches. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.